Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the third period of English of this week from chapter 2. It's the third video in which I am going to conclude you chapter 2, that is the master artist. I had already told you much part of the story. Let me review the last part of the story. I had told you that there are two characters, the master artist whose name is Sinaleve, and the patron, Italian patron, whose name is Bartoli. At the request of Bartoli, the artist started making his portrait, his painting in the dining hall wall, which was 20 feet tall. And as you know, that the artist had put some certain conditions. The condition was that nobody could intervene in his work. Nobody could interfere or see how he was going to paint, how he was going to make the portrait. He even insisted and told Bartoli that he also could not come and see how the master artist was making the portrait. So in this way, you know that he came again and again, one after week, another week. He was trying to peek through some space so that he could see some glimpse, but he was not able to see, as every time he came, he was told, he was requested by Sinaleve not to come, not to see, and to keep his work private. And whenever he was asked how the work was going on, he always answered that the work was going on so well. The art piece he was preparing was so nice. He just only told Bartoli to have patience, and he would see his painting one day when it was finalized. And so, let's go now, proceed what happened next in the story. Let us go and see. That is para 9. Reluctantly, Signor Bartoli withdrew when he came to know the answer from the artist that everything was going well and he was making a masterpiece art on the wall, so it would take time. A masterpiece takes at least a while, so he must have patience. A month passed doing that work. The month passed. How is it coming along? How is it coming along? Means how the work was going on. Signor Bartoli asked. It's coming along nicely, said Monsieur Sinaleve. Sinaleve answered again in the same way as he used to answer. The work was going so well. Again from behind the curtain. He was working behind the curtain and he told the same thing. Along with his words came the strange sounds of swooshing, clanking and slapping. The work he was doing behind the curtain to prepare the material to make the portrait, swooshing sound, that was here. The sound of rushing water, rushing wind as comes, that is called swooshing sound. Clanking, when the pebbles and the stone crushes each other, that is called clanking sound. Slapping, when the painter was taking the plaster and throwing on the wall, the sound that comes was slapping. So Bartoli only could listen the sound of his work, what he was doing from behind the curtain. But Bartoli was not able to see how he was making, how the painting was being made. He was not able to see. You know, you are fortunate that I am painting your portrait. The master said, the artist said that Bartoli was fortunate, lucky, that he had got a chance to be made his portrait by master artist, by Sinaleve. Only beyond fresco will need 4 coats of lime plaster. Beyond fresco. This is an Italian expression. Italian expression, and fresco is a technique, okay, in which a picture is painted on the wall or on the ceiling while the plaster is still wet, so that the colors blend with the plaster and become fixed as the plaster dries. Then that will be fixed on the wall. So that is called beyond fresco expression. Only beyond fresco will need 4 coats of lime plaster. It's the best plaster process I ever saw. Signor Bartoli, it will last forever. He assured Bartoli that the portrait he was making, painting he was making, art he was making will last forever and ever, for so long. But it's a time consuming endeavor. But the work he was doing was time consuming. It would take time. So he had to keep patience. Sighing deeply, the patron withdrew again. He took a long breath in just frustration, like he was very fed up, disgusted. Why he was taking so long a time? Just how long would this take? He told to himself. Another 3 months passed, and finally, not only 1 month, 2 months, 4 months, finally half a year went by. Half a year, 6 months passed. Means it took 6 months. One day, Signor Bartoli marched in demanding to see his portrait. One day, Bartoli could not stop himself. He could not keep his patience under control. He had concluded that he would go and see his portrait today. So he went there and told the artist, "You must be finished by now, and today I will see it. You have to finish it. I want to see it. I will see my portrait today only." He exclaimed, shaking with frustration. He had become very frustrated, and so he just claimed him, "I will see." Stepping out from behind the cloth, as though surprised by such anger. When the artist heard that angry sound from Bartoli, he came out from behind the curtain, and then he said, "Monsieur Sinaleve said calmly, 'That's fine. Okay, you may see. You needed only to request it. You just request it. Why are you angry? You request me. I will show your portrait. I will show your painting.'" And he pulled aside the 20-foot tall curtain. And the tall curtain, which was 20 feet tall, against the wall, he just threw it, so that Bartoli could see how the painting was made on the wall of his dining hall. Giuliano Bartoli stood for a minute. When the curtain was thrown, Bartoli stood to watch whole his painting, how that was made. Yeah, Bartoli stood for a minute. Then his mouth fell upon. When he saw the painting, when he saw the portrait, he became angry. He became sad, extremely sad. His eyes turned red. When a person becomes so angry, how his eyes becomes red only, expression is really so, and grabbed what a few hairs he had left on his head. And just on his head there were only few hairs left only. He just grabbed it, held it tightly in anger. All this was the expression of his anger, dissatisfaction. He did a little hop. He also jumped there. And then a twitch, and his eyebrows twisted as though he was under a spell. It looked like that he was under some devil power. someone else was controlling him. Giuliano Bartoli obviously did not like his portrait, and the expression he had expressed definitely showed that he did not like his portrait at all. Not a bit, not a little bit. Giuliano Bartoli was enraged. Bartoli was completely angry, so much furious. How absurd! When he saw the painting, he expressed how ridiculous, how absurd the painting was made, how funny the painting was made, how disgusting. What does this mean? What do you mean by this painting? You are claiming that you are making a masterpiece, but what is this? What does this mean? You will not receive any money. He told him, replied him, you will not receive any money. I will not give you any money, any fee for your work. Do you hear? None, not at all. You are not an artist. He really shouted at the artist, you are not an artist. Maybe that you are a thief or a madman. I can only tell you are a madman or a thief. Get out from my sight. He instructed him to leave the place. You will leave my house tonight. Tonight only you have to leave my house, or I will have you thrown out. Otherwise, I will be compelled to throw you out. What was there in the painting that he became so angry? He did not like at all. Let us see. So, what had Monsieur Sinialebe drawn that was so wrong? What was that he became so angry? He couldn't see it. He had fused and fixed for so long. It was his 20-foot tall masterpiece. The painting was of Bartoli. The painting was made of Bartoli only. That was 20-foot tall masterpiece. He wasn't sorry that he had drawn his heart's content. The artist was not sorry. Okay. His way, no matter what anybody could say. Perhaps his patron could not tolerate his cubist expression, but Pablo Picasso would have been proud of him. Whatever he has drawn. In fact, in the painting, he had put his own talent he had developed. He had put his own imagination, complete freedom, as he liked to make the portrait, as he liked to make the painting. He had made according to his own dream. He had been longing since long to express his view, his approach, and put in his painting all his imagination, all his art that he had developed himself. He had not got such any opportunity in his life. In the last 45 years, he had not got any opportunity so that he could express what he knew, what he wanted to express. But when Bartoli gave him a chance and gave him freedom so that he could draw according to his choice, but he didn't know that in his mind, in the mind of artist, there was something else. What was wrong? Why he did not like the painting? Although he is telling that whatever expression was given in the portrait, even the Pablo Picasso, who had been a great painter, famous painter in the early 20th century, he would have no doubt seen and he would have felt proud of that painting, of that piece of art. So, you see the last para. If a truth be told, Monsieur Sinialebe wasn't crazy. If you will just really analyze the things, if truly be said, then the artist was not crazy. He was not mad. In fact, not at all. He had simply been born 500 years too early. Actually, that time, whatever the tradition was of the painting to do, in what way the artists were bound to paint and express themselves in the paintings, in the art, he had broken that. And he had used his own techniques, his own approach and perception, his own angle, his own imagination, his own freedom. And that's why he was 500 years early. Means the art, the technique that was to come after 500 years, he had used 500 years before. And so that was in fact the modern art. That was modern art. Through that one he had expressed in the painting. Sometimes we see, you have heard, M.F. Hussain. He used to make modern art. We can't understand. We can't analyze. You can't understand. But the artist approach can only think and understand the expression, what was said in that. And the paintings were sold in millions. So costly. Because the person who can understand, they only can offer. And so happened here with the piece of art, what artist had drawn on the wall. He had done his best. He had put his full imagination. And great artists and painters could only understand what was the expression and how he had drawn so an excellent piece of art. But Bartoli couldn't. Bartoli has not that perception and that experience. He was in that age, in which age the master artist was living. He was thinking with that view of angle. But the portrait was made here, what was to come after 500 years later. This was what? The angle which made him angry, and he was not satisfied. Bartoli was not satisfied. He became so angry. Now, certainly the chapter is over. Whole story is expressed to you, explained to you. You have understood, I am sure. On basis of that, you may do first understanding the text, that is on 12 pages. Understanding the text. First is here a table divided in two parts. In one part is given here under column what we know about Sinialebe. What we know about Sinialebe. And next one is here how we know it. Here, first one you see, from a very young age, Sinialebe had trained under a famous teacher and felt he had a duty to his teacher. This is the knowledge we have got. From which line of the story? This is not line of the story. In the next column, the line is telling us this knowledge. That at the young age only, he had got training under a great teacher, great painter, whose name was, and that is already given here in the just story. So we come to know about that. At the age of 8, I was apprentice to the great teacher Lorenzetti. I could never dishonor his name. This is the line that gives us information, this information that is in the first column. We have to search from the story, from the passage number is given all of you here. That passage will support you, will help you to get the answer. You see, Sinialebe was himself a famous and respected figure. How do you get this information? From which passages? The passage is given para 1 and 3. Para 1 and 3 will help you to get the answer. That Sinhalese was himself a famous and respected figure. Which line? You search. When you are sure, you write that line just in front of that in next column. This is what to do in understanding the text exercise A. You do that, question answer and rest part of the exercises we shall do next, and we shall finish the chapter. Thank you very much, all my dear students. I hope you must have enjoyed the story, you must have understood the story, and you will complete the work. You will learn all the new words explained in the chapter on the pages. Note down in the copy. Thank you very much.